Welcome back. This is a big one. Most paper trading tools are toys. You can rewind, cheat your fills, top up the balance, and pretend you're a genius. Noroview's paper trading is the opposite. It's a full future simulator that runs only on the live market in real time, and it's deliberately built so you can't game it. That means when you build a track record here, it actually reflects your real skill. Let's set it up, place some trades, and I'll show you why these numbers are trustworthy. First, you create a paper account. Give it a name. Pick a starting balance, 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000. Set your maximum leverage and set the commission and spread so it feels like a real exchange. Here's the crucial part. These numbers, your starting balance, your leverage, your fees, are chosen once, right now, and then they're locked forever. There's no deposit button, no withdraw button, no edit my balance. Why does that matter? Because nobody can quietly top up a losing account to hide a blowup or cherry pick their starting point. Every account is on equal footing. Optionally, you can opt into the leaderboard. Let's create it. This is the order ticket, and it's genuinely pro-grade. First, choose a side, buy or sell. Then the order type. Market fills instantly at the live price. Limit and stop let you rest an order at a trigger price you set. Now sizing. This is my favorite part. You can type a raw quantity or flip to the risk calculator and size by risk instead. Tell it you want to risk 1% of your equity, give it a stop, and Noroview works out the exact position size for you. That's how professionals size. By risk, not by gut. There are quick chips for 25, 50, 75, and 100%, a leverage slider, and fields for your stop loss and take profit, with one-click brackets for 1, 2, or 3 R targets. And watch this preview. Before you commit, Noroview shows your notional size, the margin required, your liquidation price, and the fee. And if you've set a stop and target, your exact risk to reward, how much you're risking, and your potential reward. You see the whole trade before you ever click. Let's place one, a small market buy. Instantly it fills at the live price and shows up as an open position in the blotter, and your account summary updates live. Your equity, the margin you're using, your unrealized profit and loss, and a margin level health bar, so you can see your room before liquidation. Managing a position is one click. Edit your stop or target, close half to scale out, reverse it, or close it entirely. I'll close this one. Resting limit or stop orders show in the Orders tab where you can cancel them, and every closed trade lands in your history. It behaves exactly like a real exchange. One position per market, real liquidation, real fees. Now the part that makes Noroview paper trading special, the analytics. Open the full paper trading hub, and the Overview tab is a complete performance dashboard. Your return, your win rate, profit factor, expectancy, your streaks, your max drawdown, even a system quality Z-score. Your equity curve shows how your account has grown or shrunk trade by trade, and this calendar heat map shows your green and red days at a glance. This is the kind of feedback that actually makes you a better trader. You can see your edge, or the lack of one. The Performance tab goes deeper with professional risk metrics, Sharpe, Sortino, and Calmer ratios, your average R multiple, and how far trades ran in your favor or against you before you closed. There's even a benchmark that compares your results to simply buying and holding Bitcoin, so you know if your trading is actually adding value. And the journal lets you log the why behind each trade, your strategy, your confidence, even your emotional state, so you can review and improve. This is a genuine trader development suite, not just a fake balance. There's even a leaderboard ranked by a composite score across return, risk, drawdown, and activity. So one lucky trade can't put you on top. And now the payoff? The thing I promised at the start. Why can you trust a Noroview paper record? Because every trade fills only on the live market in real time. Every timestamp is stamped by the server. You cannot backdate a trade or invent a history. The account's balance and leverage are fixed at creation, with no deposits or withdrawals. And closed trades can never be edited or deleted. Put together, a Noroview paper trading track record is genuinely uncheatable. So when someone shows you theirs, you know it's real performance. Use this to build and prove your edge before you risk a cent. So, create an account, trade the live market with a pro order ticket and proper risk sizing, and let Noroview grade you with real uncheatable analytics. Practice here until your stats are green. Next lesson, we go back to raw order flow, the Noro time and sales, the smart tape with a live buying versus selling speed meter. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you there.